Hello everyone! Welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we will see how to check location history on iPhone. Let's dive in. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Privacy. Next, tap on Location Services. In Location Services, scroll down and select System Services. Now, tap on Significant Locations. You may need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Here, you'll find a list of locations you've recently visited, organized by date. If you want to clear your location history, tap on Clear History and confirm by tapping Clear History again. And that's it. That's how you check your location history on iPhone. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.